Now I want to give an update on the Community Action Committee, which was developed after a community meeting we held in April 2017 regarding drugs in our community. The first meeting for the Community Action Group was held on May 29th, 2017, and it was decided that some questions would go out to the community in a survey regarding neighborhood watch, methadone use, etc. The results of that survey were published earlier in our newsletter. The next meeting of the committee is to discuss the results from the survey and what direction the committee wants to take, and that meeting was held on November 29th. This committee is chaired by Councillor Sherry Lynn Hill-Pierce, and we are still looking for more community members to take part. We wanted to tell you about some of the things that they had been doing from their May meeting to their November meeting. With the fight against drugs in our community, you will note that there are signs, and there are also 6 billboard signs that have gone up, and there are other signs at the entrances onto Six Nations. They're in regard to zero violence and also to contacting the police. There's a fight against drug declaration that was done in our community, and that was signed by the elected council at the Six Nations Fall Fair this year. The Community Collaboration Committee is also working together with all the agencies to give the community resources and prevention activities. We are still putting information flyers in the bathrooms in the different agencies and parks and recreation facilities. We have also done some researching on drug testing and the different ways to drug test. I have to bring this back to council with the findings. We're also secured a spot on Crime Stoppers and committee in Brantford. And at the Chiefs of Ontario and the Assembly of First Nations political level, we continue to stress the hardship drugs is having on our community. Not only our community, but all of our communities, and how we all need to work together to combat it. We will continue to put pressure on the federal and provincial governments to assist in helping to combat the drug problem. We have also developed a cannabis task force to be able to be on top of the legislation that will be coming next year to legalize marijuana, and for the task force to develop a community plan and pros and cons. We will be going to the community once that task force has completed their research. Staff are also getting training in how to dispense the naloxone nasal kits, and the Six Nations Police is working vigorously on drug raids and laying drug charges. We also have the High Risk Committee in place, which is working together and making sure the community is safe. We will also be asking councillors to address the formation of neighbourhood watch throughout the territory, and this can be done at their future district meetings. The next issue of our newsletter will also list the different agencies in our community and outline how they are dealing with the drug problem and helping people with addictions and helping the community as a whole. On social services, the Child and Family Services programs will be offering activities during the Christmas break. The activities are in the process of being planned, so watch for the advertisements and registrations. Registration for the winter programs will also soon be out, and they are looking for donations of new or gently used coats for the coat giveaway on December 11th.